I have a couple of shell steaks, what you call New York strip, and I'm going to apply the osmosis process to ensure tenderness. So here comes the osmosis process. You apply salt liberally on both sides. Then the first 3 to 5 minutes, the moisture is going to draw from the steak. After 15 minutes, the salt is going to be totally dissolved and break down the surface proteins, okay? And then, over the course of 45 minutes, this salt brine is drawn back to the meat. And that's how you get the tenderness when you cook it, okay? Both sides, remember. Room temperature, it's been 45 minutes. So you're going to dry pat these babies, okay? So these steaks are very thin. I typically like them an inch thick, but I'm going to show you with thin ones today, okay? Same process. I'm going to put a tiny bit of oil. You don't put a lot, in fact, like me. And I'm going to put it here. This, you can do this on the grill too, in which case you don't need the oil. So I put some pepper on this one. No need of salt because you already have salt on it. And I'm going to cook one side for about a minute, okay? Minute later, flip, add some butter, garlic, smash, and some rosemary. Give them those aromatics. And then what you're going to do is you're going to spoon this baby, okay? You're going to do this for about a minute, okay? And now you're going to let them rest for about 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes.